Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make another pop-up card for happy birthday. This lovely card is especially for cat lovers. When this card opens, the cat head moves and the tail wags. So cute, right? Making this card is so simple, and here are what you need. First is cutting machine. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can use an art knife instead. Cardstock, double-sided tape and glue, tweezers, and the template for this card. These are the pieces I cut out from the template. You can download the template by following the link in the video description below. I'll work on these white pieces first. Let's start with this piece. As you can see, there are dotted lines on this piece. I'll fold along the dotted lines to create tabs. As for these lines, I'll fold back along the dotted line. Fold this down following the diagonal line. Unfold it. Then push it in like this. And then you see an L shape exposed. Now unfold it again. Similarly, I'll repeat the previous steps to these dotted lines. Unfold it. Push it in and create triangle folds or a V fold here. Okay, now leave it aside. Now I'll take the two rectangle pieces to make the card base. I'll fit the two tabs into the two slits on the card base. Okay, grab the double-sided tape. I'm going to stick these tabs down to the card base. Similarly, I'll do the same on this side. And this is for the cat tail. I'm going to color the tail with this orange piece. This is for the body cat. Just stick it here and add the patterns on it. Next, I'm going to work on with this head. You can find a small slit in the middle of the cat face. I'm going to get the long side of L shape through the small slit. Fold this long side to the right. Add double-sided tape on the side. Unfold it and stick it to the cat face. Now I'm going to stick the pattern on the cat face. To cover the white line on the cat face, I'll stick the nose on it. Finally, stick the birthday cake beside the cat. Okay, this card is almost done. Let's move to the final steps. Secure the base to the cover. Fold along the dotted line. As usual, I'll add double-sided tape on the four edges of the card base. Add glue on the cover. Actually on the pattern of the cover. Okay, let's stick the cover on the base. Make sure the base edge parallel and close to the dotted line. I'll do the same on this side. After adding the double-sided tape, I'll fold the cover and stick it to the base. Now I'm done with this card. This card is so easy to make, right? Let's open and see how it turns out again. I hope this video inspired you to create stunning cards with your style. Thank you for watching the whole video. See you later.